Hi, I'm Mary with Sway Line Dance Lessons, and this is Sarah. And so we're going to teach you Stomp 2, 3, 4. We're going to start with the first set of 8, which is a walk, walk, coaster, step forward, step together, back. Then we're going to walk back, starting with our left, back, back, and one more coaster step, step together, forward. Let's do that with the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next, we'll do a V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a step together, step to a diagonal to the right. Step together, step, stomp. Let's do those 2 sets of 8 together now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. V step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Well, we'll just stay right here. Okay, now we're going to do a step touch with a clap, step touch with a clap. We're going to place our left foot a quarter turn to our left and face that direction. And then we're going to do 3 paddle turns to get us a half turn from this direction. So 1, 2, 3. And that would be our count 8. Okay, let's try that, just that set of 8. Or do you want to do all 3? Okay, we're going to start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, coaster step, back, back, coaster step, V step, step together, step, stomp, back. Good. Now with that paddle turn, you can touch on different places, but once you get used to the song, they'll be saying stomp 2, 3, 4, and they say you should stomp that out with the paddles. Okay, so your 4th set of 8, you're going to rock forward and recover, rock forward on your right, recover, coaster step, a right coaster step, back, together, forward. Now present right, left heel, left heel, and stomp. Let's do that with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then the song starts over again. Now let's do all 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. V. Step together, step, stomp, step, clap, turn, and paddle. Rock, recover, coaster, step, heel and heel and heel and stomp. Yes!